Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and welcome again sa Bucal Season 6. Live na live tayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium at matutunghayan natin ngayon ang knockout semifinals match between the ACC Green Serpents and the ACLC Naga. So tutok lamang po tayo all throughout this game. My name is Rick Puerta and together with me is Jasper at kami po ang makakasama nyo dito sa bakbakan ngayong araw na ito.
Alright, so it's still a high-stakes showdown dito sa Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium. This is the last stretch for our semifinals round. Ayan, and magtatapanan na po yung last for our juniors division. We have the ACLC Hawks and the ACC Green Serpents. Maghahati sa atin ng siksik, liglig at umaapaw na action. Live na live yan dito sa Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium. And of course, nandyan rin yung ating mga lovely ladies to give us an update later on. And syempre, Rick, gusto nating malaman kung paano nila pinaghandaan itong win or go home na laban na ito. Well, it's still not go home kasi meron pa tayong battle for third. And of course, yung ating yung mananalo for this match will be battling against the NCF Tigers for our championship round. Grabe, napakagandang laban niyan since both of the NCF teams, the juniors and the seniors, are now advanced to our...
Yes, talagang pasok dito ang dalawang kupunan, mapa seniors and juniors division on the side of the NCF. Now, waiting na dito ang NCF Cubs. So sino ang makakatapat nila sa ating finals? It's between the ACC Green Serpents and the ACLC Hawks. Now, as you can see on our screen, andito na po ang ACLC community kung saan palagi talagang all out sumuporta sa kanilang kupunan. So, ito yung magiging isang factor kung bakit gaganahan dito ang player ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, I think handang-handa na dito mag-report ang courtside reporter on the side of the Hawks. Tawagin natin si Rain. Hi Rain, sinong kasama mo at anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are back at Ateneo de Sta University's Gymnasium as we witness the battle of the ACLC Hawks and the ACC Green Serpents. At para malaman natin on the side of the ACLC Hawks, let me call on their team captain, Mr. Jade Guarin, jersey number 14, all the way from the province of Masbate. So good afternoon. Kwentuhan mo naman kami kung ano ba ang lagi mong sinasabi sa teammate mo as their team captain on today's match.
Yung always ko pong sinasabi sa kanila is always trust the God's process po. In God's perfect timing po, makukuha po or makakamit po namin yung mga pinapangarap namin, yung mga pinagpapaguran namin, and also yung mga sinasacrifices po namin away, even though we're away from our own families, pero tinatrabaho po namin. That's good po kasi nabibuild and also nabibuild ang character namin, and also po mas namomotivate po kami na manalo and also i-dominate po ang Bucal Season 6.
And as the team captain of the ACLC Hawks, ano ba ang expectation mo sa magiging laro nyo o ng teammates mo ngayong araw?
Ina-expect ko po na mas magiging maganda kasi nag-prepare naman po kami, prepare po namin yung mga laban. Wala naman po kaming laban na di pinag-prepare, and also I think we're ready enough po para sa larong ito kasi duman po kami sa mga ups and downs, pero even though duman po kami dun, mas parang binil po or mas inano po namin ang communication namin sa mga ups and downs, and also para din po sa mga families namin. Kaya yun po, nag-expect po ako na magiging maganda ang laro ng bawat isa sa amin.
So indeed, it will be a great game. Kaya naman I am inviting you na invite or mag-shoutout ng mga taong manonood at susuporta sa inyo ngayon.
So, shoutout ko lang po ang family ko. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Sa fam ko po and also sa mga family ng mga teammates ko and sa coaches ko. Thank you po sa suporta. And also po, sinashoutout ko din po yung mga taong nagsasacrifice para sa amin. Yung mga pamilya po ng mga taong nandito ngayon. And also, gusto ko lang po sabihin na God bless po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po.
So thank you, and I wish you and the ACLC Hawks a good luck. So I am Rain Reyes and will be your courtside reporter on the side of the ACL Seahawks only here at Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon and on One Media TV 48 Naga. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the ACL Seahawks. And narinig nga natin, Rick, ready itong ating Hawks for this battle, for this matchup. Asahan natin yung kanilang 100% since they are well prepared for this battle. Grabe, napakagandang laban talaga yung matutunghayan natin dito as we are on the last stretch for our semifinals knockout match.
Ayan, napakinggan nga natin on the side of the ACL Seahawks na talagang handang-handa sila para sa araw na ito because again, gusto nilang makapasok dito sa ating finals round. So, ano kaya ang magiging game plan dito ng ating ACL Seahawks knowing na ang kalaban nila is the ACC Green Serpents, our defending champion. So, a little bit of pressure on the side of their team because again nga, ang makakarap nila dito ACC Green Serpents. Pero, nakaharap na rin nila ito during the elimination round at natalo din. So, napakaganda nga na magiging matchup ngayon kasi hindi natin alam kung kanino mapupunta itong larong ito at kung sino ang mag-a-advance at makakaharap ang NCF Cubs. And on the other side of things, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of Green Serpents para malaman kung ano ba ang preparations na ginawa ng kanilang team. Now Liz, anong balita dyan?
A high-flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are here live at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the much-anticipated semi-final round of Bucal Season 6 Men's Basketball Juniors Division. A match between the last year's defending champion, ACC Green Serpents, versus this season's powerhouse team, the ACL Seahawks. I am your courtside correspondent, Desina Bala, reporting from the bench of the ACC Green Serpents. In this thrilling showdown, here beside me is the team captain of the ACC Green Serpents, Christian Dave Mayor. Hi Christian, of course, firstly, congratulations for making it this far. We witnessed your journey from the eliminations down to the quarterfinals and now you will be playing for the semi-final round. So Christian, matanong ko lang, how's your team preparations and of course, ano nga ba ang baon ng ACC Green Serpents all the way from Albay na ipapakita ngayon dito sa ating hardcourt?
Defense lang po talaga. Defense. Saka yung mga sa trap po, pag tinatrap po talaga kami, doon po kami na ng ACLC sa trap nila. Kaya, yun po.
Alright, so speaking of defense or depensa, kayo ang naging defending champion. So ibig sabihin, kayo pa rin ang champion ng Bucal Season 5 Juniors Division. Ano yung plano nyo para maprotektahan ng titulo nyo this season?
Panalo po itong laro talaga po. Mapanalo lang po talaga. Gusto po namin makabalik ng finals. Yun lang.
Alright, so all the best and of course baka gusto mong batiin at magpasalamat sa mga sumusuporta sa inyong koponan.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako sa ACC community sa walang sawang suporta at sa staff po and sa faculty po. Lalong-lalo na po kay President George Altercope versus po.
Alright, thank you so much Christian and of course all the best ACC Green Serpents. There you have it, Bicolandia. With that, the question remains, which team will secure the most coveted ticket for the final round of Bucal Season 6? This is Bucal Season 6 for Future Rise. Stay tuned for the next chapter of this electrifying season unfold only here on One Media, TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents na ating defending champions for this season. Grabe, napakaganda talagang laban for Season 5. Ayan, defending champs ang ating ACC Green Serpents dahil narinig rin natin on the side of the ACL Seahawks na talagang pinaghandaan nila itong laban na ito. And syempre, yung ating ACC Green Serpents hindi rin magpapatalo since ay na nga yung titulong kanilang binabantayan or inaalagaan. And ayun, yung pinaka-goal nila is to continue the championship for this season. Let's see kung makukuha nga ng ating ACC Green Serpents yung ticket na yan, securing a spot doon sa ating championship round which will be against the NCF Tigers. Grabe, Rick. Talagang napakagandang laban yung matutunghayan natin dito. Kaya sikaping tumutok po dito. Live na live tayo via Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Atin sa atin yun ng One Media, TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
So yan, Jasper, when we come back, talagang magsisimula na ang first quarter between these two teams. So tutok lamang uli ito Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Ladies and gentlemen, ayun na nga at nagbabalik na tayo dito sa Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium as this last game for the semifinals round is about to begin. And this time, our announcer, our officials is now introducing the first five for both of these teams na magsisimula ng ating semifinals round. And as we can see dito sa Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium, talagang punong-puno yung ating bleachers. Well, hindi pa nga siya masyadong puno, Rek. As we can see, may mga konting spaces pa. But maya-maya lamang panigurado, Rek, puno na yan. And of course, the sixth man of the ACLC Hawks. And of course, yung mga nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. Lalong-lalo na yung mga supporters nitong ating ACC Green Serpents all the way from Tabaco, Albay. Kaya tutok lamang kayo as we are about to start. Ayan.
Yan, ipapakilala na nga ang first 5 for both teams. Again, match up between the Hawks and the Green Serpents. So matira-matibay ulit para dito sa araw na ito. Yan, at kung sino po ang manalo ngayon ay magpo-proceed sa ating finals round. And we would like to thank also our officiating officials na palaging nakaantabay dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt. And pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gloffa Construction, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF Wings, Bigs, Sportswear. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support. Ayan, as you can see on our screen, ACC Green Serpents. Nagkakaroon ng huddle to clear things up. And sisimulan na nga dito ang ating first quarter. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang ating unang ball possession?
Grabe talagang pinagplanuang mabuti talaga nung ating mga players as the buzzer repeatedly sound. And ayun, this time, our officials now introducing the first 5 for this ball game. Grabe. Magsisimula na rin ang napakagandang tapatan as the first 5 is now on the hard court at ready nang makipagbakbakan.
At patuloy ngang dumadagsa ang tao dito sa loob ng ating venue. And our first quarter will start with a tip-off. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang first ball possession, and it goes on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Now, jersey number 20, Sandigan, almost losing that ball and double deep pa nga dito. Now, let's see ACLC Hawks. Nasa ilalim dyan pa, Sagre, but no gonna sa tip. Now, this time, ACC Green Serpents ang magdadala ngayon ng bola.
Mayor passing the ball, but a foul was called on the side of the ACLC Naga. Napakaagang foul para dito kay jersey number 8, Bien. Now, the ball will remain on the side of the Green Serpents. Mayor to inbound.
That was an early whistle on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, let's see kung ano gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Jersey number 10, Ibluguin. And the steal coming from jersey number 14. Another steal from the ACC Green Serpents now. Jersey number 17, Direcho. And that is the first blood for this ball game brought to us by Bonggon of the ACC Green Serpents. At syempre, hatid rin sa atin yan ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Now, let's see ACLC Hawks, Basagre. That was a turnover, and now ACC's ball possession.
What a great start on the side of the Green Serpents, pressuring the players on the side of the Hawks. Now, chance for them to score. Madrona, no good on that attempt.
Now, ACLC Hawks naman ngayon, Sandigan. Bantay sarado ni Madrona. Almost losing that ball, and now jersey number 8, Bien. But still from the ACC Green Serpents, diretso dito, Mayor on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 4-0 run ang ginagawa dito ng ating Green Serpents. Now let's see kung anong gagawin bawi dito ng ating ating ACLC Hawks. But this time, another turnover tayo dito, Rick. Grabe.
That's because of the defense na hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Talagang kargado ngayon ang depensa on the side of their team. Yun nga yung sa report ni Liz na tinanong ang team captain nila na si Mayor, talagang depensa. Ito ang pinag-focusan nitong ating ACC Green Serpents, and another 2 points was added on their side. So wow, an early lead para dito sa ating first quarter.
Ayan at 4 points na yung contribution dito ni Bongon. Let's see. Bongon once again for the ACC Green Serpents. And now on the inside, but here comes jersey number 18. No good on his attempt, Mayor. And now, here comes Sandigan for the ACLC Hawks. Now, jersey number 10, Razon. Back to Sandigan. 6-0 run of the ACC Green Serpents. So let's see if they can stop the bleeding at this point. But that was an offensive foul, Rick, coming from the ACLC Hawks. Grabe.
Everything goes well on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Talagang ibabawi nila dito yung seniors nila para sa araw na ito. Now, Madrona passing the ball to their team captain, Mayor. Mid-range jumper, no good. But an offensive rebound. And losing that one, so ball possession will go on the side of the Hawks.
Grabe, talagang parang binabawi nila dito, Rick, yung kanilang seniors for that game last night, no? But our seniors for ACC Green Serpents, they will be traveling to the National Capital Region for the 3 days Prisaa or the CHED Invitational Games to represent Prisaa. And that was a very good opportunity for the ACC Green Serpents seniors. But this time, makikita natin dito na natigilan na dito ng ating ACLC Hawks yung kanilang pagdurugo dito. But this time, jersey number 19, didiretso pero no good doon sa kanyang attempt. Now, Basagre naman ngayon for the ACLC Hawks. Dadagdagan yung kanilang puntos dito. And that was cutting down to 2 points yung lamang dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, a missed opportunity of the ACC Green Serpents.
And a quick shout out on our live viewers. Shout out po dito kay Coderes Fiel, Julie Alfonso Aicardo Cabahug, Mark Vincent Bonavente, Franz Santiago Estayani, Hans Christian Beltran, Enzo Sena, Carl Acido, and Mark Campana. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.
Now, no good on that attempt by the ACLC Hawks. Let's see, June Marmadrona on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now to Mayor. Now, Bongon stops for 3. No good. But here comes Razon for that defensive rebound. Now here comes Basagre. Didiretso Basagre. Ipapantay ang kanilang puntos dito with 6 all dito sa ating 5 minutes and 22 seconds remaining ng ating first quarter.
ACLC Hawks talagang bumawi din dito para sa ating first quarter. And a foul.
Mukhang maaga yung out of the playing court natin dito, Rick. Magkakaroon nga tayo dito ng replay. Grabe. Coaches review or officials review yung mangyayari dito dahil mukhang may natawagan doon, Rick, ng out of the playing court. We'll see, Rick, kung yun nga ba talaga yung decision ng ating officials. Well, grabe, napakaaga nun. That was the early first quarter of this ball game and mukhang maaga yung tawag doon ng ating officials.
Ayun, let's wait sa magiging decision dito ng ating mga officiating officials. Ayan, live na live rin po tayo sa ating YouTube channel. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining for our game clock and 10 seconds on the shot clock. 6 all on our scoreboard. Again, expect na magiging mainit talaga ang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito because ang pinaglalabanan nila dito is yung spot on our finals. Referees are now reviewing kung ano yung nangyari on that last sequence.
And as we can say, Rick, patuloy yung paggrami dito ng ating live audiences. Talagang napupuno na nga yung ating mga chairs dito sa gilid ng ating hard court. And as we can see, may mga spaces pa naman on the bleachers. Kaya naman yung mga gusto pang humabol para matunghayan yung itong semifinals or the last semifinal knockout match for Bucal Season 6, pwede po kayo pumunta dito. And of course, yung team bahay natin dyan, shoutout po sa inyong lahat nakatutok via our Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. Ayan. So later on, we'll be hearing a decision from our officials kung ano nga ba talaga yung tawag doon. Dahil on that last call of our referee, that will be an out of the playing court to one of the players of the ACLC Hawks. Ayan, I think here is our referees. Kung ano nga ba talaga yung itatawag doon. And of course, special thanks to our sponsors. We have here the Bucal sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP, Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo and Sons Trading, and Industries Incorporated, 3GX ICT Solutions, and of course, Pocari Sweat. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. We also have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. And of course, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, and BMEG. Alagang BMEG, alagang number 1. And I think we have here a decision. Number 5 of the ACLC Hawks. Let's take a look once again dito sa ating replay. That was... Let's take a clear look. Ayun, mukhang natamaan dito si Mayor. Ayun, nakita nga may fist motion doon, Rick. Itong si Bautista on the side of the ACLC Hawks. And now, Bautista is now out of the playing court. Ayan. And natawagan rin dito ng unsportsmanlike foul itong si Mayor on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Ayan, talagang napakaaga ng mga intense situation dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And yun nga, napaaga dito yung tawag na out of the playing court on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, the basketball continues. Madrona passing the ball to his teammate. Madrona getting that 2 points.
And now let's see ACLC Hawks on the offense. Razondo Sandigan. Now Sandigan on the corner now. Basagre, jersey number 2 rather. Lagundi now. No, ganun datatay by Basagre, but here comes Mayor. Madrona lilipad for the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. Diretso, Rek. Walang preno. Magkakakuha nga dyan ng karagdagang 2 points, extending their lead to 4 points. Now, Lagundi.
ACLC Hawks no good on that offense. Now, another opportunity para dito sa ating ACT Green Serpents.
As we are about to approach the 4th minute mark of this quarter, now let's see, Bongon to Mayor. Now Mayor, jersey number 10. ibluguin. Gagawa ngayon ng diskarte, pero that was an illegal carrying of the ball on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, and a quick turnover here.
So chance on the side of the Hawks here to add their score. Basagre to inbound. Passing the ball to Sandigan. Heavily guarded here. They should take advantage of this ball possession and get a point conversion. Basagre dribbling the ball. Guarin, no good. Sayang on that last sequence para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks.
Libreng-libre sana doon, Guarin of the ACLC Hawks. Now this time, Madrona will be firing for 3. And a clean basket for Madrona on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, patuloy yung pagdagdag ng kanilang puntos dito, Rek. A 7-point lead coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Now let's see kung anong bawi ng ating ACLC Hawks naman, dahil wala pa ditong magandang bawi itong ating ACLC Hawks, dahil ayun na nga, a couple of turnovers pagdating sa kanilang front court. And let's see this time kung anong gagawin ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now,
Ibluguin for 3, no good. Ball possession will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, ipapasok dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents sa Serrano. And Bien on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now it's their ball possession.
Now Lagundi, well-guarded Lagundi, almost losing that ball. But here comes a 3-pointer. Sandigan, no good. Now, Bien.
Serrano securing that ball. And now Mayor taking his time. Heavily guarded here. Passing the ball to Madrona. Pero not this time on the 3-point attempt.
Almost getting that 3-pointer once again for Junmar Madrona of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, ACLC Hawks dito hindi pa rin nakakabawi after that officials review. Pero ayun na nga, another missed opportunity on the side of the ACLC Hawks. That was an out of bounds as the ACC Green Serpents will take that ball possession. Now, Mayor.
Medyo malamig pa dito itong ating ACLC Hawks. Let's see as the time progress. No good. And now, it's their chance again.
Bien, once again, losing that ball. Grabe. Grabe. This was an error on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Mukhang nahihirapan talaga sila ditong umopensa. Now, Ibluguin almost getting that 3-pointer. But here comes a rejection coming from Bien. Now, Bongon getting that 3-pointer on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, extending their lead to 10 points. And ayun na nga, napatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang ating ACLC Hawks. Now, let's take a look once again, Rek, for that 3-pointer by Bongon on the side of the Green Serpents. Grabe. Using the glass to finish that shot. And ayan ay hatid sa atin ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated.
So what an early domination para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Talagang handang-handa sila at pinapatunayan nila dito na sila ang ating defending champion on that previous season of Bucal. And of course, they want to defend that title. That's why napakaganda ngayon ang early performance on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Meanwhile, on the side of the ACLC Hawks, medyo nahihirapan sila dito when it comes to their offense. And of course, halatang nape-pressure on the defense na pinapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. So, let's see after this timeout at sa natitirang 1 minute and 45 seconds kung ano ba dito ang magiging performance pa nitong ating ACLC Hawks. If they want to chase and cut the lead, they must do it at this moment if they want to end this first quarter with a momentum.
At syempre, lalong-lalo na yung kanilang adjustment sa kanilang opensa dahil ayun na nga, after that officials review kanina, hindi pa sila nakakapuntos, Rek, after Bautista called an out of the playing court. Hindi pa sila dito nakakapuntos. Well, let's see kung magiging effective nga ba yung iseset nila diyang game plan. Now, Lagundi. Well guarded Lagundi and a steal. And that was an out of bounds. Ayun na nga at napatawag dito ng coaches challenge. Ito ang ating ACC Green Serpents dahil jersey number 18, Mayor is complaining na wala daw siyang last touch or last contact with the ball. Therefore, the ball must go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Pero yung tawag ng ating officials doon, the ball will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Kaya magkakaroon tayo dyan ng review kung talagang kanino mapupunta yung ball possession natin doon.
Again, on that last sequence, Mayor is very sure na talagang hindi siya ang last touch on that last ball possession. Now, let's wait on that review kung kanino nga ba mapupunta ngayon ang bola. 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining on our game clock and 13 seconds para dito sa ating shot clock. Again, the domination dito sa ating first quarter on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Wow, lumalabas talaga dito yung galing ni Madrona and Mayor because on that last minutes talagang nagpakaula sila dito ng magkakaibang points, mapa 3 points man ito or 2 points. Meanwhile, ACLC Hawks, they need to be pressure at this moment. Work under pressure para sa kanilang kupunan if they want to cut the lead kasi 10 na po ang nabubuong lead dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
And grabe, sea of blue yung ating Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Grabe, full or punong-puno ng ating ACLC 6th man. The supporters, live audiences of the side of the ACC Green Serpents naman, meron na rin atang kaunti dito, Rek. And for sure, nakatutok sila sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. So, let's see kung kanino nga ba talaga mapupunta yung ball possession after that out of bounds. And of course, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. And maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And that heads coaches challenge was successful because that last touch is coming from Lagundi and the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Maagang successful na coaches challenge dito on the side of the Green Serpents. Now let's see.
Mayor fires for that long three at walang sabit. Napakalinis nung 3 points na yon coming from Mayor. Wow!
Nothing.
This is the spirit on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Nothing but the net trick on that 3-pointer shot by Mayor. Now let's see naman kung anong gagawin ditong bawi ng ating ACLC Hawks. But as we can see, still coming from Serrano. But no good on his attempt. Now here comes Sandigan, loses that ball. Another missed opportunity on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe, nai-extend na dito nung ating ACC Green Serpents yung kanilang lamang sa 13 points and wala pang nagagawang pagbawi itong ating ACLC Hawks. Now let's see, since we are down to the last 43 seconds of this first quarter. And now still once again coming from Sandigan. Now on the corner, Nagundi, no good on that 3-pointer.
Mayor securing that ball possession. Now 25 seconds remaining for this first quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Mayor no good. And now, jersey number 2 getting that libreng layup on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Ayun na nga at nakabawi na sila dito after that officials review kanina. So let's see. Jersey number 6, no good on that 3-pointer. And that was the end of our first quarter. 19 to 8, 11-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Are back here sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium for our second quarter matchup between the Hawks and the Green Serpents. Now Mayor with a hot hands, may hawak ng bola, pass to Ibluguin, we tend to shoot, losing that ball.
Two-pointer, an early two-pointer for the second quarter coming from Lagundi of the ACLC Hawks. Now this time, Green Serpents kayo nagdadala ng bola, Mayor to Ibluguin. Now, Ibluguin firing for 3 and that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nothing but the net. Another clean 3-pointer on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. A man-to-man defense of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, let's see. Serrano and once again Guarin losing that ball. And a couple of substitutions for both of these teams. Now ACC's basketball, Madrona. And I think ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Liz on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Liz, take it away.
Depensa! Yan talaga ang nangingibabaw para sa ACC Green Serpents. Mainit ang naging simula pero isa lang ang sigurado. It was a strong start for the ACC Green Serpents as they have dominated the first quarter, giving us a double-digit lead against the ACLC Hawks. During the huddle, Coach John reminded them to attack open areas and put an extra effort with their on-ball defense. Now that the Serpents have started with a great momentum, we will see if they can maintain it to the succeeding quarters. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Jasper and LA.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And ayun na nga, while Liz is reporting, natawagan doon ng technical foul itong si jersey number 5 for flopping. Ayan. Now, ACC once again stealing that ball. Now, Bongon with that pass to Serrano. Now, Serrano didiretso, but that was not counted as matatawagan dito ng traveling violation si Serrano on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. Crucial error din yon on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, but this time mukhang ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain to give us an update on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. Simula pa lang, Coach JP already strategized on how they will be implementing their offense and defense. They were told na wag madalian at mag-focus sa game. Knowing that their opponent today are the defending champions, ay alam nila na they are against a strong opponent. Ngunit hindi magpapauli ang Hawks during huddle. They were told to work as a team and have communication one way. Still with high spirit and energy, they aim to close in the gap bago nga magsimula ang second quarter. Their transition should be fixed ayon kay Coach. Now this is the ACLC Hawks ready. Bumawi. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Ayan, 11-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents with the ball possession to the ACLC Hawks. Now let's see. Jersey number 3, Basagre. Now, Bob, didiretso dito Basagre, but here comes Razon for that follow-up shot after that offensive rebound, securing a 2-pointer on that shot. Grabe, talagang hindi na dito pumayag itong ating ACLC rather. Let's take a look once again. Razon, grabe, napakahaba nung kamay doon ni Razon, finishing that shot using the glass, and that was cutting down the lead of the ACC Green Serpents to 9 points. Ayun, at matatawagan nga dito ng foul itong si Razon on the side of the ACLC Green Hawks. ACLC Hawks. Now, Junmar Madrona to jersey number 9. Now, Junmar Madrona once again. Well guarded here by Basagre. Junmar Madrona, 2-pointer.
Wow, what a move on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Guarin with the ball, forcing that one, but no good. Pero foul was called on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. So, Guarin, merong opportunity dito on their side para madagdagan itong 13 points.
A chance to cut off the lead. And that first attempt by Guarin was good on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now down to 10-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. A chance here to cut down to 9 points. No good. And a turnover here. Now, jersey number 9. Vidal. Now to Madrona. Now, Junmar Madrona didiretso once again for the ACC Green Serpent. Maraming bantay. Pero that was a traveling violation. Atin sa atin yan ng Naga Travel and Tours.
Now, ball possession ng ating ACLC Hawks. Basagre to inbound. Passing the ball to his teammate. And now a full man-to-man defense on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And wow! What a move coming from Basagre. Napakaganda ng layup. And a block on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Chance for them to add their score, and with that pass, another 2 points para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Wow!
What a move for the ACLC Hawks. Grabe naman yon. Agad nilang naibaba dito sa 6 points. Let's take a look once again, Rex, sa ating instant replay. Basagre with that easy layup. Grabe, napakagandang aksyon on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Magandang pagbawi rin for the second quarter with just 6 points na lamang yung hinahabol nila dito. And we'll see kung mahahabol nga yan since mahaba-haba pa yung oras for our first half. We still have 6 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. And mukhang naging effective na dito yung pagbawi nitong ating ACLC Hawks. So hintayin natin yung change of momentum kung mapapagpatuloy nila yung kalamangan nila. And ayun na nga, that forces the ACC Green Serpents to call a timeout. And this time the timeout was consumed. Now back to the ball game tayo dito.
Now, ano ang magiging sagot dito on the side of the ACC Green Serpents because nagkakaroon na dito ng magandang momentum paunti-unti itong side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, ano ang sagot ng ating Green Serpents? Madrona, heavily guarded here.
Now on the outside, jersey number 8 fighting for 3-pointer. What a move naman for the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, hinintay na muna to ni Eden na tumalon yung magbablock sana nung shot niya. And he was getting that 3-pointer. Now let's see Guarin ngayon. Apat yung bantay ni Guarin but a rejection coming from jersey number 19, Belargo. And this time, offense na ngayon ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Now Bongon eyeing on the basket. Now Bongon with that spin. But here comes Belargo for that offensive rebound. Now John Marmadrona naman. Still coming from Basagre. Ngayon Basagre nilipad. Grabe. Yung espiritu ng Hawks Rec nararamdaman na natin on the side of the ACLC Hawks dahil pasunod-sunod na yung paglipad dito ni Basagre on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now this time, once again, jersey number 8 doing his trick kanina. But dalawa na yung bantay niya doon kaya hindi niya na natira yung 3-pointer doon. And still, ball possession dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. 5 minutes and 9 seconds on the second quarter.
Now Eda to inbound with 14 to shoot para sa kanilang koponan. At ipapasok muli si Mayor on their side. Heavily guarded here. And now, no good. Naubusan na nga dito ng oras itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, ball possession will go on the side of the Hawks.
Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang bawi dito since the ACC Green Serpents extended their lead once again to 7 points. Now, Razon ngayon, di diretso, but still coming from Bongon. And this time, Eda, di diretso ngayon. Lilipad rin, gaganti ng 2-pointer on the side of the Green Serpents. Now, Razon, a fast-paced game na yung tutunghayin natin, Rick. Now, Sandigan swings into Basagre, firing for 3 on the corner. And that was good.
Now, Basagre is leading their team para paunti-unting makadikit dito sa points ng ating, or score rather, ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Offensive rebound para kay Mayor. No good. One more time for the ACC Green Serpents. And this time, sa pangatlong try na yon, or rather apat, makakakuha na dito ng 2 puntos ulit ang kanilang kupunan. Napakaganda ng aksyon para dito sa pagtatapos ng ating second quarter. 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining.
Now Razon for 3. No good. And here comes a foul from Guarin. That was a pushing foul to Mayor. And a turnover here on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ayan at papasok na nga dito. Itong si jersey number 8. Bien on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, Green Serpents. Mayor to Bongon. Now, a pick by jersey number 19 but no good on that layup by Bongon. Now, here comes Basagre. Nagmamadali dito. Basagre. Grabe. Talagang Diretso kung diretso itong si Basagre on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Kailangan dito ng katulong nitong si Basagre on the side of their team. Kasi siya ang nagdadala dito para sa ating natitirang 3 minutes and 28 seconds sa second quarter. Now Basagre on that free throw opportunity.
A chance here to cut off the lead of the AC Green Serpents. No good on that first attempt by Basagre.
One more try for him. Basagre for that free throw. At pasok nga yung pangalawang free throw. And Basagre with the steal. Wow, offense and defense talagang activated itong ating si Basagre on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
But that was stepping on the line as the ball possession will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe, another chance for them na makapuntos dito, but that was a timeout issued by the ACLC Hawks. Titingnan natin, Rick, kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito since ayun na nga parang nakakabuo na sila dito ng momentum. Now, let's see kung paano nila ito pagtitibayin para magtuloy-tuloy naman. And as we end the second quarter, magkaroon tayo ng change of momentum on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, let's see naman on the side of the ACC Green Serpents kung ano yung tatrabahuhin nila dito since parang nagkukulang sila dito, Rick, doon sa kanilang depensa dahil mas mabilis na silang nagkaka-turnover ngayon and mabilis na silang naaagawan ng bola. So, we'll see kung ano yung mangyayari dito sa timeout na ito.
And we are back on court. 3 minutes and 17 seconds remaining for this first half. And still, abante pa rin po dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, ano ang magiging adjustment dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents? Because again, nabanggit mo nga kanina na nagbe-build na dito ng momentum itong ating ACLC Hawks. Now, ACC Green Serpents, kailangan maibalik dito yung performance on that first quarter na kung saan talagang na-dominate nila yung whole quarter.
Now let's see. Lagundi on the outside. Alley-oop game! What a shot on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe. Mukhang planado yung inbound na yun, ha? Grabe. Alley-oop game was successful on the side of the Hawks, courtesy of Lagundi and Basagre. Now this time, ACC Green Serpents on the corner. No good on that three-pointer. But that was a out of bounds as the ACLC Hawks will take that ball possession. Grabe. 5 puntos na lamang yung hinahabol dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Let's see. Jersey number 30. Rempilio, now well-guarded Rempilio, still coming from jersey number 8, Eda. And now, Mayor. Eda fakes. Eda goes inside. But here comes jersey number 19 for that assist. Diretso na mga ngayon itong si jersey number 11, Ringo, on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Lagundi. No good. But a loose ball from Belargo. And now a chance for the ACLC Hawks. Now let's see, Bien. What a play na naman for the ACLC Hawks. Grabe yung mga pasa-pasa nila. Talagang sinisiguro nila na makakapag-convert sila doon ng puntos, Rick. Let's see.
Green Serpents, no good on that 3-point attempt. Now Basagre, tatawid ng bola on their side, nagmamadali. Passes the ball to his teammate. In and out ball. Now ACC with the ball possession. Eda. Hindi alintana dito ang bantay. But turnover on the side of the Green Serpents. Another opportunity para sa Hawks. Bigan, heavily guarded by Ibluguin. 15 to shoot.
Now Lagundi to Guarin. Now Guarin. Well guarded here. Guarin. Didiretso pa rin Guarin. 2-pointer on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, 3 points na lang yung inahabol dito ng ating Hawks. Let's see, Mayor. Grabe, yung paikot-ikot din ito ng Mayor. Mayor naman, makakakuha ngayon ng basket plus a foul. On the side of the ACC Green Serpents, that was a 3 points play opportunity, Rick.
Napakagaling talaga nitong team captain on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Talagang sinigurado niyang papasok pa din yon kahit mukhang imposible na on that last sequence. Now, another opportunity coming from that free throw line.
As we are down to the last 55 seconds of the first half. Now, let's see if Mayor can do this. And that was a clean basket for Mayor. Now, Lagundi on the side of the ACLC Hawks, well guarded here. Guarin naman ngayon, papatalunin pa nga dyan si Mayor. But this time, Sandigan fighting for 3, no good. And that was a foul coming from jersey number 11, Aringo of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, Green Serpents on the penalty situation at this moment. That's why Bien magkakaroon dito ng free throw shots.
And that first attempt by Bien was good on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, down to the last 39 seconds of the first half. Chance to cut down to 4 points. And that was good on the side of the Hawks. Now, let's see ACC Green Serpents on the offense. Mayor to jersey number 10, Ibluguin. Now, Ibluguin ngayon gagawa ng diskarte for the Green Serpents. Mayor, but mukhang napahawak dun sa damit itong si Sandigan. And that was a foul. Now, Mayor to inbound for the Green Serpents. Bongon. On the outside, Bongon. Well guarded here, Bongon by Bien. But here comes jersey number 6. Almost getting that 3-pointer. That was an in and out ball. But here comes Basagri. Babanggain yung mga bantay niya dyan. Grabe. That was a blocking foul ang matatawag dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Now Basagre will be getting that free throws after that blocking foul by Mayor on the side of the Green Serpents. Now Basagre. No good on his first attempt. 10 seconds remaining for the first half. No good pa rin on that second attempt. But there comes Basagre. Babawiin yung kanyang missed 2 free throws doon with that offensive rebound. And now, no good on that buzzer beater shot by jersey number 18 Mayor on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And this time, naibaba na ng ating ACLC Hawks sa 2 puntos yung kalamangan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. That was the end of the first half. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us!
Innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
And we are back here sa pagpapatuloy ng matchup between the Green Serpents and the Hawks. Nasa third quarter na po tayo. And now, ball possession ng ating ACC pero still on their side. Offensive rebound. Sandigan heavily guarded here. And that's good para dito sa ating Hawks. And a quick shout out on our audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Shout out kay Lisel Puerta at kay Luisa Biag. Thank you so much for watching.
And also to Casey Anchoquia. Now, ACLC Hawks. Sandigan, didiretso ngayon. But a pass on the corner. Now, Razon, didiretso. Another point coming from Razon. Now, the ACLC Hawks, and this time, Rick, everything is tied to 38 points. Grabe, that was a pushing foul coming from Sandigan. And now, the ACC Green Serpents will take that ball possession. Ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito para mabalik sa maraming kalamangan as we start the first quarter, no? Or as we end the first quarter, malaki yung lamang nila doon. But this time, let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Medyo nahihirapan na rin sila ditong umupensa. Now, let's see. Basagre on the side of the ACLC. Buarin, no good. But here comes Madrona to save that defensive rebound.
Bongon with that turn, and Ibluguin doing the job and securing 2 points on their side. Now, ball possession will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. And I think handang-handa na dito mag-report ang courtside reporter on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Rain, anong balita on your side?
Hello, Rick and Jasper. Pinaninindigan nga ng Hawks ang sabi ko kaninang handa na sila bumawi as they managed to show a better performance on the first 5 minutes of the second quarter. Offensive players are instructed with specific plays Be attentive and be mindful kung paano kayo maglaro ayon pa kay Coach. And the same energy was displayed until the last second of the quarter, closing the gap to a 2-point lead, still in favor of the opponent, but this time ay malaking improvement pa din ito. The Hawks should be able to adjust and balance both of their offense and defense. Communication should always be observed. Indeed, a battle fit for the semifinals. That's it for now. Back to the pan.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update on the side of the ACLC Hawks. And that was not counted, as that was a traveling violation coming from Ibluguin of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. 3-pointer sana yun, Rick. But that was not counted, as matatawagan doon ng traveling violation si Ibluguin on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ating Hawks para makabawi. 2 points na lang yung kailangan nila dito ng abulin. Let's see kung magkaroon na tayo ng change of momentum for the third quarter. Since the first quarter, hindi pa dito nakakalamang yung ating Hawks. And I think ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Liz on the side of the ACC Green Serpents to give us an update. Alright, so Liz, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Jasper, we are now in the third quarter of this electrifying match. It was a challenging second quarter for the ACC Green Serpents as the ACLC Hawks started to find their momentum during the first half of the quarter. The Serpents are facing adversities because of their multiple turnovers, heavily guarded key players, and missed baskets. Yet, despite this, they are eager to maintain the lead, which made them dominate the second quarter one more time. Now, as we enter the third quarter, isa lang ang payo ni Coach John. Depensa ang kailangan. The Serpents must also keep an eye with Basagre as he serves as the scoring machine of the ACLC Hawks. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Rick and LA.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, napakagandang tagpo talaga nitong dalawang teams na ito. And ayun na nga, talagang kailangan na ditong bantayan ng ating ACC Green Serpents, itong si Basagre on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. I mean on the side of the ACLC Hawks, but this time, another traveling violation on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, nakakailang traveling violation na sila dito.
And now, ACLC with the ball possession. Basagre, again, according to their head coach, kailangan bantayin dito si Basagre. And the ball possession will go on the side of the Green Serpents. Pushing foul was called on Guarin on that last sequence.
And ayun na nga, na-mention ni Liz yung ayon sa report niya kanina na Basagre is a scoring machine for the ACLC Hawks dahil grabe talaga yung mga puntos niya on the second quarter of action. Patuloy na pagpuntos doon sa ating second quarter, and ayun na nga, doon sila nakadikit ng puntos on the ACC Green Serpents dahil malaki yung lamang na nagawa ng ating Green Serpents on the first quarter, but on the second quarter, mabilis na nilang nahabol yon. Now here comes Iblugo in airballing that three-pointer, but another chance for the Green Serpents. And now, Iblugo in once again swings it to Bongon. Now, a long pass to Mayor. A long three by Mayor. Grabe. Now, let's see Basagre on the side of the Hawks.
And another foul was called on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Jersey number 8, Bien. Tatawagan dito ng foul. Pushing foul again on their side. Now, madraw na to inbound para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. 40-38 on our scoreboard. 2 puntos lamang po dito ang hawak ng ating Green Serpents. Now, Ibluguin. Itatawid ang bola. Passes to Bongon. Ibluguin fires for 3. No good. Defensive rebound on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Now, Renpilio almost losing that ball. Now Lagundi firing for 3. And that was good on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Clean basket from Lagundi. And ayun na nga, Rekman, nagkaroon na tayo dito ng change of momentum, change of favor on the third quarter of action. Dahil lamang na po dito ng isang puntos ito ang ating ACLC Hawks, pero agad naman niyang buburahin ni Iblo Goin on the side of the Green Serpents. Grabe, palitan ng tres. Let's see. Once again, Lagundi fakes by the pass to Razon, and now jersey number 8, Bien, makakakuha nga dyan ng easy basket coming from Razon.
So 43 all on our third quarter. Bon looking for his teammate, passing it to Mayor. Medyo tahimik ngayon si Mayor on the side of their team, and still on the side of the ACLC Hawks rather. At talagang hiyawan dito ang ACLC community.
Grabe. Mahigpit na depensa yung natutunghayan natin dito, Rek, on the side of the ACLC Hawks. As Razon rejected Madrona to entering the paint and leading to out of bounds with that turnover. Mukhang nababaliktad na yung sitwasyon natin dito sa second half. Dahil according sa ating halftime analysis, mas mataas talaga yung turnovers natin dito on the side of the ACLC Hawks compared doon sa turnovers ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero ngayon, dito sa ating third quarter, nakikita natin na mas napapadalas na ngayon yung turnovers nitong ating Green Serpents. But let's see, as Madrona guarding Sandigan to enter the paint. But here comes Razon with that traveling violation. Siyempre, Rick, hartid pa rin sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours.
And now ACC basketball. Ibluguin, passing the ball to their team captain, Mayor. They need a point conversion if they want to tie this match up. But another steal on the side of the Hawks. Wow, what empathic performance para dito sa third quarter on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, another steal, pero no good. This time, makakapasok na para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Now, a change of momentum nga, nabanggit mo kanina, para dito sa ating third quarter. Pero Ibluguin, ayaw paawat on the side of the ACC Green Serpents with that 3 points.
Another clean basket for Ibluguin on the side of the Green Serpents. Naibaba na muli nila sa isang puntos na kalamangan. Grabe talaga. Napapadalas yung mga pa 3 points dito ni Ibluguin on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, but matatawagan nga dito ng foul itong si jersey number 10 of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, Hawks on the offense. Passing it to Guarin, and Guarin successfully done on the last attempt. Now, ano ang magiging sagot dito ni Mayor and the rest of the team? Forcing that one, no good. Now, Hawks with the ball possession.
Razon didiretso ngayon. Easy basket for Razon on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe, another traveling violation of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. Let's see. Razon with the ball once again. Now to Guarin. Guarin pushes to the inside. Now Guarin with a save from Serrano. Now John Madrona ngayon nagdadala ng bola for the ACC Green Serpents.
They need to step up here if they want to reclaim the lead para dito sa ating laro. Because again, ACLC Hawks on fire. Another traveling violation para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. A lot of turnovers this time para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang head coach ng ating Green Serpents. 1 minute and 33 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter, and still ang ganda ng hinabol dito on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, what would be the adjustment on the side of the Green Serpents if they want to cut the lead and to cut the momentum coming on the side of the ACLC Hawks?
Grabe, napadalas talaga yung kanilang traveling violations on that last sequence. Mukhang natawagan sila doon, Rick, ng 3 traveling violations. Let's see this time kung ano yung gagawing adjustments dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Basically, yung magiging advice dito ng kanilang coach is to dribble the ball para maiwasan yung traveling violations. And let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong depensa, since mas napapadaling nape-penetrate ng ACLC Hawks yung kanilang front court, scoring multiple times. And ngayon nga, abante na ng 5 puntos itong ating ACLC Hawks.
Now, back to the ball game. Hawks with the ball possession.
Now, ACLC. Let's see, Basagre ngayon. A rejection coming from Serrano. And this time, Bongon, didiretso for the ACC Green Serpents. Bongon to Serrano. Now, a steal coming from jersey number 30, Rempilio. But once again, Basagre losing that ball. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining for our third quarter. And ngayon lang binalik itong si Basagre, no? Let's see kung ano yung magiging contributions niya dito, kung mas palalaki niya pa yung gap against the ACC Green Serpents now. Mayor, well guarded here. Mayor.
Down to the last minute of this third quarter.
Now Serrano didiretso, but a rejection coming from Razon. Grabe. 3 yung bantay doon ni Serrano, pero he insisted to push it through. Rejection from Razon. For that rejection. Now let's see. Mayor ngayon with that spin. Mayor. No good on his attempt, but here comes Mayor for that offensive rebound. But a couple of whistles. Matatawagan nga dito ng pushing foul itong si Sandigan on the side of the Hawks. Now, hindi talaga pumayag si Mayor na hindi sila doon makakapag-convert ng points. Now, let's see ACLC Hawks Lagundi. Now to Razon. Razon, didiretso Razon. But here comes Guarin. But no good on that attempt by Guarin. May paksundot doon si Rempilio. And now,
well, possession will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 15 seconds para dito sa ating third quarter.
kailangan dito ng 3-pointer ng ating ACC Green Serpents para maitabla yung puntos as we end the third quarter. Now, Bongon. Tumingin pa nga sa game clock. Bongon, didiretso Bongon. Now, here comes Serrano. Makakakuha nga dyan ng 2 free throws on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga viewers. Shoutout kay Chen Shaira Nicolas, kay Miguel Acosta, Brennan Bornilla, Canlas Anthony, Sean Edmar, Kirby Sagon, Justin Kyle Nuestro, Wendy Mapa, Carlote, kay Sofia Recto, Angela Metante, Sebastian Rengalota Messina, at kay Luisito Jornales. Maraming salamat po sa panunood.
Ayan, happy viewing, Justin Kyle Nuestro, the team captain of the STI Olympians. No good on that second attempt by Serrano. And that's the end of our third quarter, 48-51, a 3-point lead of the ACLC Hawks. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back for our fourth and deciding quarter dito sa matchup ng Green Serpents and Hawks. Now, 51-48 ang ating naiwang score. Ano ang gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents if they want to clutch this game? Or will the ACLC Hawks patuloy na aarangkada at makukuha ang pwesto on our finals?
Now, let's see. Pasagre, well guarded here by Madrona. Now, Razon firing for a three-pointer.
Ibluguin, securing that ball. And now, Mayor tatawid ang bola. They need to step up at this moment.
Now, Madrona. Well guarded here by Sandigan Madrona. With 10 on the 24, Madrona. Now to Bongon. Now with 5 seconds on the shot clock, didiretso ngayon Bongon. Makakakuha nga dyan ng 2-pointer on the side of the Green Serpents. Down to a point lead of the ACLC Hawks. Now let's see kung makakakita na naman tayo dito, Rick, ng change of favor dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Now, Sandigan, well guarded here, Sandigan. Didiretso for the ACLC Hawks. Razon, almost a steal. A deflection by Bongon, and now napakaganda ng steal na yon on the side of the Green Serpents. Ball possession will go on the side of the Green Serpents. Ayun, nakikita natin pumipila dito yung ating mga players. So let's see if can the ACC Green Serpents successfully inbound that ball, almost a alley-oop play. But here comes Razon. Pero hindi doon pumayag na hindi sila doon makakapag-convert ng points. Lagundi with that 2-pointer. And that was a foul from jersey number 10, Razon. 3 points na naman yung lamang dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Green Serpents to inbound. Mayor to Bongon. Heavily guarded here. And wow, what a connection and a point conversion on that last sequence. And speaking of the connection on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, ano kaya ang update dito ng courtside reporter na si Liz? Hi Liz, kumusta? Anong balita dyan? Alright, so babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Liz from the side of the ACC Green Surface. And as we can see, a held ball situation, but ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Surface. And this time, ready na ang ating courtside na si Liz on the side of the ACC Green Surface. Pero maya-maya lamang ay maririnig natin yung kanyang update. And this time, the ball will go on the side of the Green Serpents.
So another opportunity on their side. 1 point lead lamang po ang hawak ng ating ACLC Hawks. If you're on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, you should take advantage of those ball possession because every ball possession counts para dito sa ating matchup na ito. Now, ibluguin. And yan, babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, kumusta Liz? Anong balita dyan?
The pressure is on here at the ADNU Gymnasium as both teams continue the fight for glory. The third quarter has been challenging for both teams, showcasing their relentless energy on the hard court. Despite the efforts of the Serpents to take the lead, the Hawks dominated the third quarter. Now, they must double their hustle, stay focused, and avoid unnecessary mistakes for the next quarter. During the huddle, Coach John reminded them to counter the Hawks' efforts with a blindside trap and man-to-man defense. Indeed, third quarter was not the best quarter for the Serpents, yet we will see how will they respond in the fourth quarter. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And ayun nga, natungayan na natin dito yung change of favor dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan, balik na po sa favor ang ating ACC Green Serpents with that point lead. And let's see, dahil another ball possession for the Green Serpents. Now, Madrona, di diretso dito. Madrona on the outside. Now, Bongon. Well guarded Bongon by Razon. And now, handing it to Iblugoin. Now, Iblugoin. Pero that was a foul coming from jersey number 30, Rempilio of the ACLC Hawks. Makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws itong si Iblugoin on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And a quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Roel Tud, Janira Aranda, kay Antorin at kay Denise Berranya na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. And now, again, 2 points yung hawak na lamang ng ating ACC Green Serpents. A chance to extend to 3 points, and that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now this time, let's hear an update naman from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Let's call on our courtside reporter, Rain, to give us an update. All right, so Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. Intense game as we call this quarter dahil hindi nagkakalayo ang score ng dalawang kupuna. Just like Coach Ricky said, they are now playing basketball as the tables have turned on the last minute of the game that made their opponent call for a timeout. During huddle, reminders and instructions on how to play was still given to the players. Ending the quarter in the lead, the Hawks are now ready to face the defending champion who is determined to end this game with them as the victors. Yan muna ang update on this side. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Reina. That update from the side naman of our ACLC Hawks ay na nga at balik sa 3 puntos na kalamangan on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. We'll see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating ACLC Hawks para makabawi and to have that change of favor to secure a spot for our Bucal Season 6 Juniors Division Championship. Ayan.
And now, ACLC Hawks on the offense. Hahabulin ulit dito ang kalamangang hawak nitong ating ACC Green Serpents. 5 seconds to shoot.
Now Rempilio, teardrop shot, and that was good on the side of the ACLC Hawks, down to a point lead of the Green Serpents. Now Iblugoin swings it to Mayor, now to Bongon. Bongon di diretso for the Green Serpents, no good. Now this time Razon with that defensive rebound, now to Sandigan. Now Sandigan almost getting that three-pointer, pero pinasa niya yun kay Bien para sigurado na yung
Tsaka nakita niyang walang nagbabantay doon on the side of the ACC. Now, what will be the answer on the side of their team? As Madrona dribbling the ball, passing it to their team captain Mayor with 10 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here by Sandigan rather.
Still no good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, and a change of favor here on the side of the Hawks, pero agad naman niyang babawiin ni Serrano on the side of the Green Serpents. Palitan lang dito ng favor, Rick, from the Green Serpents to the Hawks, back to the Green Serpents once again. Let's see, Razon di diretso ngayon, but a whistle foul coming from Serrano. That was a blocking foul, and makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws, Razon, on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, the ACLC Hawks must be careful also pagdating sa kanilang depensa and also sa kanilang opensa dahil they are on the penalty situation na. And mas mabibigyan dito ng chances yung ating ACC Green Serpents na mag-convert dito ng puntos. And that first attempt by Razon was not good as we are on the 5th minute and 22 seconds mark ng ating 4th and final quarter. Grabe, Rick, maya-maya lamang makikilala na natin kung sino yung makakatapat ng ating NCF Tigers doon sa ating Bucal Season 6 Championship.
So both free throws hindi pumasok. And a foul para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. And remember, they are on the penalty situation, so every foul committed, magkakaroon dito ng free throw opportunity ang kanilang kalaban. Now, Madrona, they need this one if they want to extend their lead here. Madrona on his first attempt, and a clean basket for him.
Extending their lead to 2 points, and a chance here to extend their lead to 3 points. Let's see once again if Madrona can extend their lead to 3 points. 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining for the 4th and final quarter. Now let's see, Junmar Madrona. No good on his second attempt. Now here comes Basagre.
Nagmamadali, and again, Basagre with that fast break play. Napakaganda on that last sequence para dito kay Basagre with no hesitation. But now, ano kaya ang sagot dito ng ating Green Serpents? Bongon taking his time.
Deadlock at 59 points. Long three by Junmar Madrona, but that was no good. And as we can see, 19 is down, having a cramps here. Mukhang sobrang sakit ata ng legs dito ni Belargo. With 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining sa ating 4th and final quarter, and everything is deadlocked by 59 points. Rest assured, our medical staff will be checking on Belargo, and I think a substitution muna dito.
Ayan, back to the ball game, and the ball possession is on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro.
And a quick shout out here to Angela Metante Renan Cornelia, Janira Ayala, Princess and Jake Larase, and happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Now, it's the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents, Junmar Madrona for that baseline inbound. Now, Mayor to Bongon. Now, Junmar Madrona on the corner. Now, didiretso Junmar Madrona, but that was a defensive rebound coming from Guarin, pero Basagre once again, gagawin na naman sana yung ginawa niya kanina, pero na-foul siya doon. Ni jersey number 18, Mayor.
Basagre. Again, leading their team dito sa ating laro. Napakaganda talaga ng performance dito ni Basagre on the side of their team. But no good on that first attempt. One more time for him.
And a quick shoutout muna tayo dito rin kay Mark Christian Amante. Ayan, happy viewing Sir Mark, and we miss you. One of the commentators for Oragon Sports TV.
ACC Basketball. Bongon. Passing it to Mayor with 10 seconds remaining. And Bongon was blocked. And still on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Chance for their team here to score.
3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. Now Lagundi fighting for three, and that was good on the side of the Hawks. That was a clean basket for Lagundi, extending their lead to 3 points. Now let's see this time kung ano yung bawing gagawin dito ng ating Green Serpents. Mayor, well-guarded Mayor. Now Bongon, didiretso ngayon Bongon, mid-range jumper, no good. But here comes Serrano to get that follow-up shot to securely convert a point. Now Lagundi naman. Let's take a look once again. Guarin, masasabayan nga dyan ng foul, and that was a 3 points play opportunity for Guarin of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe. Talagang naging wild yung ating crowd as we are on the last 3 minutes, and this time let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Rain on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now Rain, take it away.
Rick and Jasper, the fourth and last quarter of this game is unpredictable and truly an important part as both teams exert energy and are eager to have the lead. A do-or-die game nga naman talaga as this one comes to an end. Offense and defense has to remain strong. Now will the Hawks be able to soar high and make their way to the finals? Yan ang dapat nating abangan once again. I am Rain Reyes and I am thrilled to be your courtside reporter on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Ayun, thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So yun nga, very unpredictable para dito sa larong ito because again, dikit na dikit po tayo. 3 points lamang po dito ang hawak ng ating ACLC Hawks. Anything can happen para dito sa 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. So kapit lamang at manood tayo dito sa napakagandang matchup on our knockout semifinals.
And now let's see Mayor for that sideline inbound. And now Mayor to Bongon. Now Bongon, well-guarded Bongon by Rempilio. And now on the corner, no good on that three-pointer by Iblugo. And now here comes jersey number 30, Rempilio, with a turnover here on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Ayan. Iblugo in for that baseline inbound. And now
Mayor, itatawid ang bola on the side of their team. They need a point conversion. And I think handang-handa na dito ang courtside reporter ng ACC Green Serpents. Now Liz, ano ang update natin dyan?
Bicolandia, as we draw closer to the end of this game, one thing is certain. The ACC Green Serpents and the ACLC Hawks are showcasing their skills and precision across the board. Talagang dikit na dikit ang laban at walang gustong umuwi ng luhaan. Now, para sa Serpents, our defending champion, there's no room for mistakes at talagang kailangang ibuhos na ang lahat para makuha ang pinaka-inaasam na pwesto sa final round. Stay tuned to witness so we'll have a sweet taste of victory only here on One Media TV 48 Naga or Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Destina Bala, your courtside correspondent, reporting from the bench of ACC Green Serpents. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, talagang mapapahawa ka sa iyong inuupuan kung natutunghayan mo tong palitan dito as kailangan ditong makahabol ng isang putos ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, napakahigpit ng laban natin as we are down to the last 1 minute and 9 seconds ng ating fourth and final quarter, and napatawag na nga dyan ng timeout itong ating ACC Green Serpents courtesy of Coach John. Grabe, Rick, talagang mapapahawa ka sa inuupuan mo. Even our live audiences talagang napapahiyaw, going wild as we are down to the last 1 minute and 9 seconds of our fourth and final quarter. Isang puntos na lamang ng ating Hawks.
Ayan, a quick shoutout on our live viewers. Shoutout kay Princess Jezreel Tanay, Salazar Burse Marivic, Carl Gutierrez, Brennan Bornilia, Mark Bagasina, Nitz Rodriguez Santos Vicente, kay Kathy Aduana Balderrama, Jake Andrew Larase, kay John Paul Salamia, John Michael Sales Mingo, at kay Kenneth. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
And also to Casey Anshokia, one of our lovely courtside reporters. Ayan, happy viewing. And as we can see, yung ating ACLC community talagang grabe na yung intense ng mashup na nararamdaman natin ngayon, Rek. Talagang lahat madadala dito sa ating intense matchup. Now let's see, ACC Green Serpents on the offense. Mayor, 1 minute. Now Madrona, alley-oop game ba? Serrano makakakuha dyan ng 2-pointer on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, pero agad namang makakaganti dyan. Pasagre on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe, isang puntos pa rin yung lamang dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Agad na binawi yan ni Basagre, agad na binura yung tira doon ni Serrano. Let's take a look once again. Basagre for his 3 points play opportunity. Grabe. Will the ACLC Hawks upset the defending champions for Bucal Season 5 Juniors Division, or the ACLC Hawks Green Serpents will remain the champion for Bucal Season 6? Yan ang mga sagot. Or I mean, yan yung mga tanong na malalaman na natin yung mga kasagutan maya-maya lamang. Grabe, napakahigpit na ng last minute na ito. For sure, ibibigay na nila yung lahat nila. But this time, ano kaya yung gagawing adjustments dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents and of course ng ating ACLC Hawks? Napatawag sila dito ng timeout. A chance to extend their lead to 2 points. And let's see naman kung paano yan buburahin ng ating ACC Green Serpents as the timeout consumes. And we are now back dito sa ating hard court.
53 seconds remaining para dito sa ating match. And 1 point lead lang ang hawak dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Ano kaya ang magiging resulta nitong larong ito? Because again, hindi pa po tayo makakakonclude kung kanino mapupunta ang ating larong ito with this 53 seconds remaining. Now, Basagre on that free throw opportunity. If they want to win, they need to take advantage with these free throw shots.
Now Basagre for his 3 points play opportunity. Basagre. And that was good. On the side of the ACLC Hawks. 2-point lead. Let's see. Now Serrano. To Mayor. Now Mayor on the outside. Now Serrano once again. Turas, grabe. Napakagandang laban, Rek. Let's see. Rempilio with 24 seconds on the game clock. Now, Lagundi, no good. But here comes Serrano for that offensive rebound. Last 13 seconds remaining. And here comes Bongon. Grabe. 8 seconds remaining and 2 points yung hinahabol dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Let's see. A rejection once again coming from Razon of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito, Rick. Last 8 seconds. Ano kayang gagawin? Ito ang ating ACC Green Serpents sa tinawag nilang timeout.
May isang ball possession pa. It's either makakakuha dito ng puntos ang ating ACC Green Serpents or will the ACLC Hawks secure their spot on our finals? Yan ang aabangan natin dito sa natitirang 8 seconds. Ayan, back to the ball game.
Grabe, ano kayang mangyayari, Rick, dito sa pagpapatuloy ng ating 8 seconds remaining for the 4th and final quarter? Will it be in favor to the ACLC Hawks or to the ACC Green Serpents? Dahil kapag nakatira dito ng 3-pointer, itong ating ACC Green Serpents, maiuuwi nila yung ticket for our championship round. And another timeout. Another timeout here for the ACLC Hawks. And hindi rin malabo, Rick, na magkaroon tayo ng overtime match this afternoon. Grabe. The crowd is going wild.
Eight seconds para dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. ACC ball possession.
Let's see kung anong mangyayari dito. As we can see, grabe na yung pagpaplano dito ng ating players with 8 seconds remaining. Now let's see, Rick. Grabe. It's time. It's time for both of these teams. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ACC Green Serpents. Now Mayor for that baseline inbound. Now Mayor loses that ball, and that will be a turnover on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Mapupunta ngayon ang bola on the side of the ACLC Hawks. And this time the shot clock is off. With 8 seconds remaining on the game clock, will the ACLC Hawks finally get that ticket advancing to the championship round of Bucal? Grabe. Napaka-intense ng laban, Rick. A very crucial error on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Back to the ball game for this 8 seconds remaining. Again, kung sino man po ang mananalo dito sa dalawang kuponan na ito, congratulations. And still sa matatalo, nothing to be ashamed because nilaban po ng dalawang kuponan na ito ang match ng ating knockout semifinals. So congratulations in advance doon sa makakaharap ng ating NCF Cubs sa ating finals. ACLC with a ball possession.
Let's see kung anong mangyayari dito. Since as we can see, Coach John and now Lagundi. 5 seconds on the game clock. Now Lagundi, and that was the end of our fourth and final quarter. As we can see, ACLC Hawks securing that ticket, advancing to the championship rounds of Bucal with just 2 points lead from the ACC Green Serpents, the defending champions for Bucal Season 5. Grabe. Indeed, a very good game, a very good matchup yung natunghayan natin. At dyan lamang po kayo dahil maya-maya po ay makikilala natin. Well, it's not the end. It's still a 44 milliseconds remaining. And ayun na nga. That was the end of the fourth and final quarter, the last semifinals knockout match for Bucal Season 6. Grabe. Napakagandang tapatan. the ACLC Hawks upset the defending champions for this season, and they will be advancing to the championship round of Bucal Season 6 na makakatapat nila doon yung ating NCF Tigers. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa ACLC community. Ayan, at dyan lamang po kayo dahil maya-maya po ay makikilala na natin ang best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back, and this time kasama ko na ang ACLC Best Player of the Game, none other than jersey number 3 John Bernard Basagre with 21 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist, and 2 steals. Hatid sa atin yan ng ACLC Naga Senior High School is absolutely free. Ayan. So first of all, congratulations sa pagkapanalo nyo ngayon against sa ating defending champions, and now you have secured that ticket advancing to the championship round of Bucal Season 6 ngayon. What was the feeling na isa ka sa mga naging dahilan ng pag-advance nyo to our championship round, and of course, na-upset nyo nga yung ating defending champions, which is the ACC Green Serpents?
Masaya po kasi worth it naman po talaga yung training namin, and mas pag-iigihan pa po talaga namin ngayong paparating po na finals.
Ayun. And next is, ano yung mga dapat naming abangan on the side of the ACLC Hawks, lalong-lalo na yung makakatapat nyo for our championship round is the NCF Cubs?
Madami pa po kaming maibubuga, and gagawin po namin ang lahat para kami ang karapat-dapat na mag-champion po.
Alright, and lastly, I am giving you the floor to shout out, pasalamatan lahat ng supporters of the ACLC, and of course, personally.
Unang-una po, gusto kong magpasalamat kay Lord kasi binigay sa amin yung panalang to. Kay Sir Adrian, sa full support po para sa amin. Sa ACLC community, sa mga teachers po namin, sa papa ko, kay Nanay Lilia, kay Tito Joey, sa mga coaches, Coach Diz na nagtiwala po sa akin talaga. And sa mga teammates ko po na naniniwala, and shoutout po kay Gigin.
Ayan, and ayan na nga, congratulations once again sa pagkapanalo nyo against the defending champions for Bucal Season 5 Juniors Division. And now, nakilala nyo na ang best player of the game. Once again, hatid sa atin ang ACLC Senior High School is absolutely free. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na nga natin ang best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yan ng ACLC Senior High School is absolutely free. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok for the last game of the semifinals knockout match. Once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Rick Puerta. And sa Friday po ang Game 1 ng ating finals sa Seniors and Juniors Division. Only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.